Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix iPhone lagging issue on iPhone after iOS 18 update. So guys, if you are updated your device to the latest version of iOS 18 and you are facing a problem that your iPhone is lagging, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, our first step is to open settings, and from here guys simply tap on journal and scroll down, and here you will see that shutdown. So simply tap on shutdown. So guys, shut down your iPhone to 15 to 20 seconds, and after that open it again and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there guys, then you have to just simply clear the cache of Safari. For that, open settings again, scroll down, you will see the option apps, simply tap on it, scroll down and locate for the Safari. So simply tap on it, scroll down, and here you will see clear history and website data. So simply tap on it and clear history and close all tabs. So guys, after this then you have to simply close the page and check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there guys, then again open settings, tap on general, tap on iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that there is enough storage on your iPhone. So guys, if your iPhone is full, then you have to just simply clear some apps, delete some apps from your device. So guys, after this then you have to just simply go back, and from here guys simply tap on journal again and scroll down, and here you will see the option of transfer reset iPhone. Tap on reset all settings, enter your iPhone passcode and reset your all setting for one time. So guys, after resetting your all setting, hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today guys. Hope this video helps you. If the video helps you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.